Alright guys, we got this Portland pole saw. Picked it up at Harbor Freight. Got it on sale for around $50. And here's some of the specs. I did use it one time and didn't finish the job, so I'm going to climb on top of the roof and finish cutting down the tree. Here's a smaller branch. Alright guys, so here's the end of the video, and here's some of the cuts that we did. 8.5 inches across. As you can see on this one, I was able to cut most of it on this side, then I had to kind of get it on the side there to finish it off. But this saw did not have any issues cutting through all this smaller stuff. You know, this is 5.5 inches, 4.5, and so on. Day one that I had it, I did tear this little foam here. Other than that, it works lovely for $50 or $55 that I paid for it. I think it did a fantastic job, and like I said, no hiccups, no overheating. I did adjust the chain once, but I did run it for several hours over a 3-day period, and worked like a charm. So hopefully you can get an idea by these cuts on what the saw can do. And time to go unload all this and all the scrap metal there on my other property. But if you like the video guys, leave a like, comment below, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.